Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy M30. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. In completion we have papers and guarantee paper. Device made in plastic in the gray color. Okay. Protected film, transported film. In completion we have adapter for charging, key for SIM slot and USB Type-C cable. That's all, without headphones. Okay. And now talk about phone. On the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.4-inch display front camera. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and home keys. Downside headphone jack, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay. On the front side front camera and display. Turn on device. Okay. Super AMOLED matrix. Open settings. Android 8.1.0, Experience 9.5. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Samsung Exynos 7904. This is octa-core processor, 6 plus 2 cores. 6 cores work 1.6 GHz and 2 cores 1.8 GHz. GPU G71. Resolution and display PPA. Look results. CPU test results. And GPU test results. Okay. Close this, open AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score. AnTuTu score, ranking and test multi-touch. 10 touches support display, ranking. Okay, close this. AnTuTu benchmark and open next test. This game test. Open demanded game GTA San Andreas and look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Graphics settings max. Wait, load. Game load on the max graphic level and walk with little legs. With little legs, but we can play on this level. Okay, close GTA San Andreas, normal. And now talk about the camera. Main camera, triple camera, 13 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels, front camera 16 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.